Hazrat Ubaidullah bin Abdullah bin Utbah reports that Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam told us extremely lengthy narratives and narrating them said, Dajjal will come and it has been forbidden for him to enter Medina Munawwara. So he will land at the Saline area. Thus, the best man or one of the best men will come up to him and say, I testify you are the Dajjal about whom Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam informed us. The Dajjal will say, will you harbor any doubt about me if I make him alive after killing him? The people will say no. So he will bring him back to life after slaying him. That man or regaining life will say, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I have never had such an insight as I have got now. The Dajjal will say, I will kill him but will not be able to overpower him. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1882.